Hi everyone, my name is Elena and you're watching Marvelous Designer Tool by Tool tutorial part 24. Today I'm going to talk about seam taping. That you can find its icon on 2D pattern window. It doesn't have any shortcut. And another option, another way of finding it is to click on one segment, and in the property editor you can see it under elastic option, seam taping, and if you check it, then it works exactly like this icon. So how it works and why we use it. Now look at the pocket here, that it's a little bit loose, and I'm going to make the edge a little bit stiffer, not too much, but something better than what we're seeing right now. That's when we use seam taping tool. So let me find it. It's here, it's this line. Just by one click, left click, it needs to process. When this orange zone appears, it means that the taping is applied. And how I can customize it, maybe it's not that much stiff that I want. As soon as you click on the segment, this property editor appears. Just memorize this part. Ctrl+C. I'm going to show you that even if I just click on it and check this box, the same thing appears. It's the same. So here I have the width that, if you see, it covers more space as you increase the number. I set it as what it was, 10 millimeter. Okay, then you have this preset that it defines the level of the stiffness, if the word exists, stiffness, how rigid it is going to be. Automatically it's on fusible common. Now let's see how it works. I should simulate, and as you see, if I control C, you see the difference. It's a little bit stiffer. Also, I can choose other options, but for an example here, I can also use pocket bone. It works better. Also, here you have presets. Usually it's like this. I can also customize it, personalize it, to make it still less stretchier, less looser. Let's see another example. For example, color. I select my seam taping, and here I select this line, and I choose undercolor, and as you see, it gets stiffer. So the lesson, the tutorial is finished. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.